Hello there. Have you ever wondered how to enjoy the most comfortable ride where you can simply relax, watch the scenery, and let the journey itself become part of your trip? I'm Ojisan, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a premium bus from Busan to Seoul. Let's get started. Right now, I'm at Nopo Station. The Busan Central Bus Terminal is connected to the subway train station. It's very early, about 6:50 a.m. The air feels crisp and quiet since it's still early in the day. Our bus will leave at 7:20 and arrive in Seoul at 11:20 a.m. So it's a 4-hour journey with one short stop along the way. Just so you know, to get here from Busan Station, you still need to take a train ride of about 50 minutes, so plan ahead. It's not exactly close to the city center. Walking into the bus terminal, it feels calm and almost empty. Most shops are still closed, and the silence makes it feel like I'm catching the very first ride of the day. Now, let me show you how to buy the ticket from the machine. It's actually very simple. First, change the language to English. Tap Purchase Ticket and select your date of departure. The departure point is already set to Busan. For the destination, choose Seoul and then select Seoul Gyeongbu. You will see three types of buses: economy, excellent, and premium. Of course, for today, we are choosing premium, the most comfortable of the three. After that, you just pick your seat, select adult, and proceed to payment by card. The ticket prints out right away. Super easy. Heading down the escalator, our bus to Seoul is waiting at platform 15. If you bring large luggage, you can put it on the trunk of the bus. The first thing I noticed once I step inside the premium bus is how spacious it feels. With only 3 seats per row, it's almost like sitting in a luxurious business class airplane seat. The leather chair feels soft and supportive. There's an entertainment screen, a tray for drinks, and even a charging port. When I leaned back and reclined the seat, I felt like I could actually fall asleep comfortably on a bus ride, which is rare. As we started moving, I settled in and let the ride carry me. Somewhere along the way, the scenery outside changed. Suddenly, the city disappeared and we were surrounded by mountains covered in white snow. It felt like driving straight into a winter wonderland. Peaceful, magical, and honestly, I couldn't stop staring out the window. Halfway through the journey, the bus stopped at a rest area for about 15 minutes. This is the time to stretch your legs, grab a quick bite, or use the restroom since there is no toilet on board. And here's the best part, it was snowing when we stepped outside. The cold air hit my face, snowflakes gently falling around me. It was a short stop, but I felt so alive, just enjoying that fleeting moment. It's something you'd completely miss if you were traveling by train. Shortly, we will arrive at Seoul bus terminal. The atmosphere was different here. Sunny skies, no snow on the ground, but still that sharp winter chill. From the quiet morning in Busan to snowy rest stops and now a bright arrival in Seoul, the whole ride felt like a small journey of its own. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, may you have joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.